Good morning, dear children. Today we will do question answers of lesson 2. Right? So, first of all, what you have to do? You have to mention date and CW in your notebook. After that, in first line in the center, you will write lesson number 2. Then in second line, you have to write answer the following questions. Okay. Now, question number 1. Why was the king upset with the police force? This was the very first question from your first paragraph only, and I explained you nicely why the king was upset with the police force, because they were not able to catch the thieves. Yes, the king was upset with the police force because they could not catch the gang of thieves. Children, in school also ma'am told you what you have to do is after writing each answer you have to draw one line and you have to leave one line also. Okay. So same way as you have to do in the notebook, after completing the answer you have to leave one line and you have to draw line with the help of scale. Okay. Question number 2. Why did the chief of police seek Tenali Rama's help? पुलिस ने तेनाली रामा की हेल्प क्यों ली थी? The chief of police sought Tenali Rama's help because Tenali had helped them in the past with such cases. क्योंकि तेनाली ने उनको पहले भी ऐसे केसेस में हेल्प किया था. Okay. Now question number 3. What rumors did Tenali ask his wife to spread? उन्होंने कैसे rumors फैलाने के लिए बोला था अपनी वाइफ से? Tenali asked his wife to spread a rumor that they had got a lot of money from a relative. Okay, तेनाली ने अपनी वाइफ को यही तो बोला था कि आप जाओ और पूरे विलेज में, पूरे सिटी में ये रूमर फैला दो, झूठी स्टोरीज, फेक स्टोरीज कि हमें हमारे रिलेटिव से बहुत सारी मनी, बहुत सारा वेल्थ मिला है. राइट चिल्ड्रेन? नाउ चिल्ड्रेन, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, we will do extract from the book. Okay, like in poem ma'am told you we used to do extracts, but in chapters, in lessons also we will do extract. Here extract means ma'am will give you one line and we can ask you question from that line only, कि who said this line या to whom the speaker said these lines. Okay children, या इसमें speaker क्या कहना चाहता है. These ways of questions we will ask you, right? So first you have to read this sentence from this story and answer the questions that full. Extract. अब आपका extract क्या है? That's enough boys. You can stop now. Question number 1. Who said these words and to whom? ये words किसने बोले और किसको बोले? So I hope you have remembered this. किसने बोली थी ये लाइन? Yes, you are correct. तेनाली रामा, है ना? तेनाली रामा said these words to the, जो कुएं से पानी निकाल रहे थे, कौन थे वो? Thieves. तेनाली रामा said these words to the thieves. Question 2. What did the speaker want the boys to stop? क्या चाहता था स्पीकर? क्यों बोला था तेनाली रामा ने बॉयज को कि नाउ इट्स इनफ एंड स्टॉप? क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना ज़्यादा पानी निकाल दिया था वेल से कि उसके पूरे गार्डन में जो उसने छोटे छोटे चैनल्स बनाए हुए थे उनसे पूरे गार्डन में पानी चला गया था. सो द आंसर इज तेनाली वांटेड द थीव्स टू स्टॉप ड्रॉइंग वाटर फ्रॉम द वेल. Right children, you have understood this. Tenali wanted the thieves to stop drawing water from the well. Now children, we will do think and answer. Okay. Children, we will do think and answer. What you have to do in think and answer, ma'am will give you a question and you have to think from your side only कि how you will give answer to that question. Okay. So question 1 is, what role did the thief who pretended to be Tenali's servant play in the story? Now what is the question? The thief's role where he pretended to be द सर्वेंट ऑफ तेनाली रामास, उसका क्या रोल था स्टोरी में, ठीक है। अब तो व्हाट आंसर यू विल राइट, द थीफ हु प्रिटेंडेड टू बी तेनालीज सर्वेंट वाज स्पाइंग ऑन तेनाली रामा एंड हिज फैमिली, ठीक है। अब वो क्या कर रहा था, वो झूठ बोल के तो आ गया था उसके घर में कि ओके आई एम पुअर, आई वांट अ जॉब, और तेनाली ने उसको जॉब पे रख भी लिया था, बट तेनाली ऑलरेडी नोस कि यस ही इज अ thief, but still he gave him work in his home. He wanted to know where Tenali had kept his money. अब वो क्या जानना चाहता था, वो क्यों आया था उसके घर में, because he want to know कि where the Tenali had kept all the money in his house, right? But क्या हुआ था लास्ट में, तेनाली fooled him, तेनाली ने उसको बेवकूफ बना दिया था, right children? So complete answer once again I am speaking. The thief who pretended to be Tenali's servant was spying on Tenali Rama and his family. He wanted to know where Tenali had kept his money, but Tenali fooled him. Children, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. लाइक करने से मैम को अच्छा लगेगा कि ओके यू आर लाइकिंग माई वीडियोज़, है ना। एंड शेयर करने से योर फ्रेंड्स विल कम टू नो ओके योर टीचर टीचर्स यू लाइक दिस. आफ्टर दैट इफ यू विल डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, so if any time I will upload any video on my channel, you will get the notification in your mobile phone, okay. On this channel one new video is uploaded and you can see that video. Thank you, take care.